Which is better for data science, R or Python? It's a question that sparks debates in forums and social circles of data scientists around the world. Both languages have their strengths and weaknesses, and the answer isn't as clear-cut as you might think. So, let's dive into the world of data science, programming, and the roles that R and Python play in this ever-evolving field. First off, Python. Python has been a favorite among programmers for years now, and for good reason. Its simple, readable syntax makes it a great language for beginners. It's like the English language of programming, straightforward, with less of the confusing punctuation that other languages have. This simplicity makes Python an efficient language for data analysis and manipulation. Python's rich collection of libraries, such as NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib, lets you perform advanced calculations, data manipulation, and visualizations with ease. Beyond just data science, Python's versatility is another strong point. It's used in a wide array of applications, from web development to machine learning, making it a more universally applicable language. If you're looking to branch out from data science in the future, Python might be the way to go. On the other hand, there's R. R was built by statisticians for statisticians. It's a language designed with data analysis in mind. Its syntax may not be as clean or easy to learn as Python's, but it makes up for it in other ways. One of R's biggest strengths is its package ecosystem. There are packages for virtually any statistical method you can think of. Want to perform a complex regression analysis? There's a package for that. Need to visualize your data in an innovative way? There's a package for that too. This extensive package system makes R a powerful tool for statistical analysis and visualization. R also excels in its data handling capabilities. It can handle larger datasets than Python, making it a better choice for heavy-duty data analysis. Additionally, R has superior data exploration features, which can be invaluable when you're trying to understand a new dataset. So, R or Python? The answer largely depends on what you value more. If you're looking for a language that's easy to learn, versatile, and efficient for data manipulation, Python is your best bet. But if you're focused on statistical analysis, data visualization, and handling large datasets, R might be the better choice. In summary, both R and Python have their strengths and weaknesses in the realm of data science. Python shines with its simplicity and versatility, while R excels in statistical analysis and data handling. The choice between the two will depend on your specific needs and goals as a data scientist. So whether you choose to slither with Python or take a statistical journey with R, you're making a choice that will define your path in the fascinating world of data science.